You brushing your teeth? Yeah. Brush, brush. What are you doing? Good girl. Yeah. You gonna spit?
Mommy. No.
What? Careful. Oh, no. Yucky.
Yucky.
No, we don't do that with our toothbrush. Yucky.
Yucky.
Yeah. You know, who knows what's in there.
Yucky.
Give it a good rinse.
Okay.
Yeah, teeth. You finished with that? Want the other one? There you go. We have different toothbrushes. Yes, lots of them. You try that one? Good job. Good job. Yeah, don't forget to brush your tongue. You hold your soap? Are you finished? Okay. Can you turn this so you can wash your hands? Wash your hands. There you go. You don't need to dig at the soap though. Is that good temperature? Okay. Oh, don't eat the soap. Oh, yucky. Ugh. Yucky. Okay.